Welcome back to my channel Tricky Tech. And with my new video, I'm Ash Bhatia. In this video guys, I will tell you 4 amazing features of Android smartphone. So let's start our video. The first feature is magnification tool. This feature is very useful to everyone. It is also very helpful because it is in this feature you can magnify any object on the screen. Just I will show you that how to enable this feature. Go to settings, scroll down and go to option shortcuts and accessibility, and you can see here I have in this option, and go to option accessible, press on it, and you can see here an option is there, magnification. Just click on it and go to magnify with triple tap option, click on it and enable it, press on enter. So guys, I will tell you that how this feature works. Guys, you can see here that these wordings are very small and very hardly to see. So I will tell you the how to work with this feature. Just triple tap on your screen anywhere. So I'm triple tapping on it. So guys, I've triple tapped on the screen, and you can see guys the wordings were very small, and now you can see it has been magnified. So guys, if you have to move your screen with your two fingers, just move around, and you can see that you can move around on your screen. If you want to make the screen back to normal, just triple tap again, and the screen has been back to normal. So guys, this was the first feature. The second feature is text to speech. This feature is also very interesting. Guys, it is very helpful for everyone, because if you are reading an article and you want to dictate by something, dictate by any person, so you are busy or something, so just you can enable this text to speech feature. It will automatically repeat any wordings. Just to enable this feature, go to settings and go to option shortcuts and accessibility, and you can see here an option is there, accessible, and you can see an option is there, text to speech output. Click on it, and you can see a preferred engine will be text to speech engine, Google's. So you can select any language. I will play for you and it in English.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
This was the English language. I will tell you some other language. If I will go to German, if I will play, it is not playing because
Dies ist ein Beispiel für Sprachsynthese in Deutsch.
you can see here that German language is also audible. You can download many other languages from your device. So this was the second feature guys. The third feature is guys, force RTL layout direction. This feature is very useful to left-handed people. Whoever uses this feature will be very helpful, because in the mobile, every time the options come on to the right hand side. So this will be very useful for the left-handed people. To enable this feature, just go to settings and scroll down, go to option system management, and scroll down and go to option developer options, and this feature has been already enabled. If your feature is not enabled, just go to developer option and enable it. Then scroll down, and you can see here the option is the force RTL layout direction. As you guys can see that all the options are there in the right hand side. If I will enable this, you can see here guys, the right hand sided option has came to left hand side, so it will be very useful to left handed people. This was the third feature guys. The fourth feature is accessibility shortcut. This is also a very useful feature, because every time any person doesn't find this accessibility shortcut many times. So to enable this feature, just go to settings and go to shortcuts and accessibility, and go to option accessible, and you can see an option is go to slide down, and you can see an option is the accessibility menu. Press on it and click on allow. Just press on allow button, got it. And you can see here guys that you can see an icon is there like a person. Just click on it and you can see here the accessibility option is there. If you want through the settings, and you can see here that this shortcut is here. So this was the video guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.